If you ever feel like a bad mom, I'm here to just tell you that my kids are eating goldfish and sprinkles tonight for dinner. Yeah. Okay, pull in the cracks. Let's clean this up. Okay. Do you know how many times I've swept this floor today? Well, this would be number 8. Thank you so much for your help. How about you just leave it on the floor, okay? Okay, thank you. Here, I got it. Seriously, I got it. You're stepping in all the sprinkles. Yeah, I got it. Okay, thank you. You guys put another truck in the toilet? It's not flushing. What was it? Did you put a truck in there? You did. We'll have to call the plumber. Here's the other bottle. Did you just talk a loogie? You guys, where? Ow! Thank you for that. Let's find the other bottle. Okay, found it. Yes. Okay. I need to hydrate. Drew is working a 24-hour shift, which means I'm in with the kids all day. I'll be with them all through the night and then in the morning as well. I truly, bless you. Truly don't know how I did this for like the first 6 months of their life alone. Come on, let's let the doggy out. Shoo. It's snowing. Easter is on Sunday. It should be warm out. You guys see the snow? No! Snow! Yeah! Standing water in the dishwasher. Ah, sorry, I couldn't listen to the truck song anymore. Jesus? Finish your dishes, okay? Come on, we yeah, we had to just go read at bedtime. Come on. Yeah. Okay, come on. Thunder crash. Jesus. Can you brush your teeth really quick and then we can go night-night, baby? No. Thank you. Brush. They love adult toothpaste. They ask for more. Okay, sweet angel. I'm out. I love you guys. Bye.